Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF on Mac. Let's get started. First, launch PDFelement and click Open File to open the file you want to convert. Then go to File and Export to. With PDFelement, you can convert a PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint pages, image, EPUB, text, HTML, and RTF. Here, I will choose Word as an example. Just click Word and then Save. To convert a batch of PDFs, go to Tool, PDF Convert, Add Folder, and choose the folder and the format you want to convert them to. Finally, click Apply, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try out PDFelement for free today. Plus, check the rest of my videos for more other useful tutorials. Thanks, and see you next time.